This is how you get an effective workout in 10 minutes. Literally, you're in and out with these 5 movements put back to back for a total of 10 minutes. We're doing an EMOM, every minute on the minute, and I'm so excited to show you just how to do that. Hey, what's up, my free and powerful friends? Magnify Maggie here. I'm so excited to show you this routine that's gonna help you think different in order to drink different or never again along your journey of getting fit while you cut back to quit. So if you've ever heard of an EMOM, that's what we're doing today. Every minute on the minute, you just need a timer and a little bit of equipment, which I'll walk you through. Other than that, come back to this video time and time again so that you get your routine done in 10 minutes. Make sure you subscribe because I have other routines just like this every Sunday and every Thursday. Let's go. First things first, I'm gonna run you through the movements that we're doing, the equipment that you need, a jump rope or even those little ropeless handles that you can buy. I'll link those in the description so that you can actually jump rope indoor or take it outdoor for the first minute. Second minute, you're gonna need to be able to lie down. Third movement, just standing up. Fourth movement, you're gonna need enough area to lean back. And then that fifth movement, getting down on the ground for push-ups. Now I'm gonna walk you through all of that. Don't fret, but in addition to those things, you just need a timer. So if you have your phone, if you have your stopwatch, or even a fancy little clock like that, it will help you track how much time you have left on the minute. So an EMOM workout basically means that you're gonna have a specified number of reps that you're aiming to complete within 60 seconds. You're going to likely finish well before the 60-second mark, and however much time you have left is for you to breathe, is for you to recover and get set up for the next movement at the top of the 60 seconds. Now this will all make sense. Let's go ahead and just show you how. The first movement we're starting off with, if we can get some time on the clock, we're gonna go ahead and get right into jump rope. I love doing jump rope because it challenges our coordination and it also is somewhat nostalgic. It just brings me back to childhood and makes it a little bit more fun. So I can hear my timer is starting right now. So that means I want to aim for about 30 to 40 hops, just depending on your fitness level. You can also go for about 20 or 30 if you're just starting out, but this is gonna build ankle stability. You're challenging your calves, you're challenging, like I said, your coordination and your cardio fitness. Whew. Something fun to do as well is to track how many hops you get before you stumble and just keep tracking that. When I first started, I could barely get over the jump rope about 15 times before I stumbled. A lot of times now I can go for about 60 to 70 seconds. So I know I'm getting right about that time to swap. Notice I've got 10 seconds left on the clock to go ahead and get ready for my Superman. So I'm coming down on the ground and I'm getting in this prone position, squeezing my back, my glutes. I'm gonna extend my arms forward like I'm grabbing a bar, and I'm gonna come back. Here I'm gonna aim for about 8 to 10 within 60 seconds. Whatever I have left over will be my rest time. Here we go. You can see that my lower back, my upper back is all tightening. Woo! And it's getting more challenging to talk. So that means that my heart rate is up, my heart is working. I've got about 2 left here. 1 and 2. Woo! I'm gonna hop up now and I've got 13 whole seconds to get ready for my next move. The next move, it was gonna take it to lower body. They're called squat belt kicks. Woo! Catch your breath, and here we go. Sitting down, stepping up and kicking out. Down again, stepping up and kicking out. I'm gonna take that a little faster here. So now I'm working lower body, but in order to pull my leg up and kick, I'm working hip flexors and lower abs, as well as a little bit of hamstring flexibility. Whew. You can also level this up if you want to hold some dumbbells or a book bag anything like that. I'm going for 6 to 8 each. Whew. Here we go. Last ones. I'm gonna go a little extra. You might find that in the format of EMOM, you challenge yourself. You beat your last time because you're getting better and better. So I did a little extra and I had extra time. Now we're moving into explosive reverse lunges. These are some of my favorites because it combines lower body resistance with plyometrics, meaning that jump, that explosion at the top. I like to do one and then the other, but you can alternate if you'd like. Aim for about 8 to 10 of each of these, on each side rather. Woo! Sitting back, I'm keeping my shin fairly vertical, meaning that I'm sitting back in my hips and I can really feel that stretch in my glutes. Woo! Little ankle stability there with that hop. Now, I have 15 seconds to recover now before my last exercise. That's going to sum up 5 minutes. After that, you can take this and repeat it to make your workout 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Last exercise on deck is push-ups. Woo! You can do these wide style. You can do these on your knees. You can take your hands in, make them more tricep style. Woo! Whatever the case, try to remember how many reps you're able to do within about 40 to 45 seconds and track those metrics. I love push-ups because they're so easy to measure your progress. The progress is pretty evidential right in front of you. Woo! You'll see and you'll feel your progress as you keep practicing your push-ups. You're not gonna get any better at them sitting around complaining that you're not good at push-ups. Woo! Here we go. Gonna take it a little bit smaller here. I'm gonna burn it out. Woo! 2 more. There we go. Okay. So like I said, this EMOM is 10 minutes. So you can go ahead and double those up. Let's say you only have 5 minutes though. You're done and out in 5 minutes. And listen to me, my heart rate is up. I'm actually sweating already. In under 5 minutes, I probably burned as many calories as I've burned before going in and dilly-dallying in the gym for 40 minutes. This is so efficient, so quick. Set your timer and get to work. Okay, so make sure that you fill us in if any of these movements are super new and they have you totally discombobulated. Ask some questions in the comments. We are here for you as a fitness professional. I want to make sure that you have all of the information you need to do these safely and effectively in the EMOM time span of 10 minutes. So get to work, but come back and ask questions anytime. And make sure you subscribe because I'm always dropping videos every Sunday and every Thursday so that you can think different in order to drink different or never again.